James. The Barrow fans are wearing red.
That's right, Thomas. It's Reds versus Blues today.
I wonder who will win, the red team or the blue team?
Well, let's see who's the best then, shall we?
No, boys.
I thought you two were supposed to be working together.
As they went to pick up their passengers, they were both determined to be the faster engine. At Dryor Soccer Ground, Thomas and James waited impatiently for their passengers to disembark. They still wanted to prove who was best, Reds or Blues.
Reds out in front again, Thomas.
But James, Oh.
With not long to go before the game, James had one more load of passengers to collect.
Hurry up, slow coaches. Don't you want the red team to win?
James wanted to get to Dryor Station before Thomas, so he decided not to wait. But then there was trouble. Those slow coaches weren't just any passengers. They were the Barrow soccer team. Without them, there could be no soccer match. Meanwhile, Thomas was so determined to get to Dryor Station before James that he didn't stop at Kelsthorpe Station, where the referee, Sir Topham Hatt, was waiting.
Thomas! Thomas! Stop!
And without a referee, you can't have a soccer match. Thomas and James were both in trouble, but they didn't know it yet.
Blues are the best! Blues are the best! Blues are the best! Blues are the best!
We're number one.
Oh, that's another win for the red team.
No, it's not.
Reds are the best.
No, Blues are the best.
Reds.
Well, let's go and see who's the best then.
Red engine. Red engine. Red engine. Red engine.
James?
Red engine.
James!
Reds. What?
Shouldn't the match have started by now?
What's the holdup? Get on with it.
But I can only see one soccer team.
What? Oh, yes. And where's the referee?
Uh-oh.